Bandit is like having a permanent toddler all the time. He just is very, very needy. He wants to be on you all the time. If he hears the water turn on in the bathroom, he'll fly there straight away. If I'm under the water, he will jump onto me and then he will get all wet. He will fly and follow us around the house like a dog, follow you everywhere you go. He'll just keep doing that until you give him attention. We were very well prepared to get him, but we didn't expect this crazy energy. We adopted him when he was 8 weeks old. We just fell in love.
You must sit in one spot.
We have a lot of other birds as well, so we were prepared. We were used to having a very normal and relaxed parrot, but we quickly learned how messy he is and how loud he is. A very crazy personality. He will fly straight onto your head, and then he will climb down off your head onto your shoulders. Bandit! He can play with around the house, socks, bells, anything. He's never broken anything, but he does annoy people. He will fly around the house constantly. There's no stopping him. And then eventually, he will just crash. He'll sit up on my shoulder like this. He would get endless cuddles and kisses if he could. It took us a little while to adjust. But we quickly just accepted him. He is our little baby. He just changed our lives so much. But we wouldn't change it. He's so special. He's very funny. He brought us so much craziness and happiness. We adore him.
If you are rescuing or thinking of adopting an exotic animal, please make sure to contact professionals and do your research so that they can have the best life possible.